now every sound recordist needs a big box that he can take around with him that has wheels, and I cheaped out and I didn't go for a Peli. I went for something called a Challenger, the biggest one they do, and it was a quarter of the price, and it's been absolutely shite. First trip I went on, the air pressure bit at the front broke, and this was all cable tied and stuff, but it was going around the airport baggage thing, carousel, and I pulled it off like that, and even though it's got 4 clips, the whole thing opened up and all my sound kit went flying over the terminal, which was really annoying. Thankfully nothing got broken, but obviously like it had built up pressure, and then as soon as it sort of moved, I picked it up at a certain angle, it was like they just all flipped. So it was crap. If I had my time, I'd go for the Peli.